This Turkish beef stir fry is under 300 calories per serving and packs 29 grams of protein. It's absolutely delicious, packed with flavour and so quick and easy to make. One of the best things about it is it's so bright and colourful thanks to all the different veggies we're using. So to start off with, chop up some cherry tomatoes, plum or normal tomatoes, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to use a red pepper and a green pepper, but again you could use whatever ones you've got lying around in the fridge. Want to slice them, I think that works best on the eye for this recipe, along with one onion. For this I use the quick cook frying steaks that you get in the supermarket, it's reasonably cheap. And you want to cook that on a high heat for a couple of minutes until it gets some colour on the outside. You could use stir fry diced beef if you want, or you could go really all out and use sirloin, it's up to you. But fry that for a couple of minutes and then just set aside. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Pop that pan back on the heat, and to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of butter, and then you're going to add the veggies apart from the tomatoes and cook them for a few minutes until they start to soften. Like most of my recipes, you can cook other veggies as well if you want. You can put some courgette in, totally up to you. Anyway, to that we're then going to add in the cherry tomatoes along with the herbs and spices. I think for this we're going to use oregano, some thyme, along with paprika, not the smoked kind, just the sort of normal sweet kind, and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Again, you could use more of this if you want more heat. Some salt, and then you're going to add the beef back into the pan. Give that a couple more minutes of frying, basically just until the tomatoes start to break down and start releasing some of the juices into the pan. And then all you need to do from there is just garnish with some green. I'm using parsley. You can serve this with couscous, rice, other veggies, it's totally up to you. Now if you want the full recipe for this, you can get it in my print book, The Ultimate High Protein Handbook. A link below will take you to Amazon. See ya!